Alright, let's try this Nature's Nectar mango passion fruit juice. So I got this at Aldi. My mom got groceries and she got this for me at Aldi. So I like how there's like a sun up there. Looks like a sun. I don't know if that's a sun or yeah, that's the sun. And then like it's got different. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got like different theming on it. It's pretty cool. Let's give this a try. So they're advertising it's 100% juice right there. It says 100% juice. Calories are 100. Ingredients: apple juice, mango puree, passion fruit juice, pear juice. Don't know what that is. Don't know what that is. I know what citric acid is. Let's give this a try. Smells pretty good. Definitely smells like there's apples in here. Why am I getting carrot? Tastes like carrots. Let's see. Is there carrot juice in here? No, there's not carrot juice. It says there's carotene. I don't know what that is, but I'm sure that has to do with carrots. But this tastes like carrots. That's weird. Alright. Passion fruit mango juice can be good. Sometimes it can be not that good. I don't know. Oh, that's got a weird taste to it. Let me shake it a little bit more better, because it tastes weird. Okay, let's see if this tastes better. Don't know. Ah, it's still got a carrot taste to it. It's weird. Ah. It's got a weird sour carrot taste to it. I don't know if I like this. I probably want to get this again, to be honest, because it's got a weird taste to it. Okay, so it says mango passion fruit juice, flavored blend of fruit of 4 juices. Isn't it carrot a juice, or is that a tomato? I forgot. But added ingredients, so I'm sure there's carrot taste in here, or carrot juice, or whatever. I don't know. It doesn't taste that good, to be honest. I'd give this like a 4 out of 10.